I'm using a different GoPro setup. You could probably see it up here, maybe, I don't know, in the mirror. I just got it on the head mount, like up here. Usually I had it like in front of my eyes. It gives a better angle. But for this car, I'm gonna try this for now and see how it feels. So right now we are in custom mode in my drive modes, which is just basically sport with traction for now. I will switch it over in a second, but we'll put the windows down as well. And then hopefully this windscreen that's on my GoPro is actually gonna help and stop some of this wind noise, so I can have the windows down a little bit. The amount of looks that I get from people in this already is awesome. People yell out their car and they're like, I love your car, bro, like in Miatas and stuff. It's so funny. And I'm really excited once I start modifying it to see what people say and how people like it, bring it to car meets, stuff like that, and just have a lot of fun with it because yeah, it's a fun car, and I'm excited to share it with you guys on the channel because I know a lot of you guys want this car or want a 392 engine in general, or you just want, you know, a SRT, or, you know, you want this 392 or a Hellcat or something, and you just can't get one yet. And I completely understand that. And you know, that's how I was too. Like, I was watching so many of these videos and I wanted one of these so bad because just like the power and the sound and everything, like you just tap it a little bit and it makes so much noise, and it's fast, and it's just overall just super fun. So hopefully, like I said, the wind noise ain't too bad because I have the windows down right now and I want you guys to be able to hear some stuff and actually enjoy the car with me. So someone did complain about this stop sign in one of my previous videos, so we're gonna full stop here even though there's no one ever here. And even if you look, it could just be a yield. It's fine anyways. So yeah, hopefully this angle is good and the wind noise isn't too bad with the windscreen on, and we're gonna go ahead and just go on this road over here and open it up on kind of the main road. But yeah, I'm loving this so far. Like I said, I've already put 250 miles in about a day and a half, and I don't drive anywhere for work or anything, so that's just me taking it out for some fun. So let's get around this bend here, open her up a little bit, and like that's 5% throttle right there. Like, it's, you don't need a lot of throttle to just cruise. So I'm gonna stop talking here for this wind noise and just give it a little bit of driving for a minute and see how it sounds and how it feels. Switching into track mode here for just a little bit more sound. Go ahead and put these windows up just for a little bit of confirmation that it's going to be some good content at least here. So we're still in track mode. One cool thing you can do with these is like the paddles, and people say that these are like boats. They do kind of feel like a boat a little bit, but it handles insanely well for being a giant boat, you know, like it doesn't handle like it's always sliding around, people say. I only have the 245s. I don't even have the 275s on here, or like the bigger tire, or the bigger wheels rather. It doesn't have the 9.5s with those. It just has the 9s. So obviously the traction is a little bit more loose than you might like, but it's still not like the loosest thing in the world. You know what I mean? It's not like Kim Kardashian or like one of those type of girls that got Ray J down. It's not that bad. It's actually pretty good for being what it is. Obviously, if you mat it, it's gonna spin. It has all that power right to the rear wheels, so you know you can't really expect anything other than that. But it sounds really, really good, and it feels really good. And like I said, I'm excited to do more POV drives, especially as I do more stuff to it, especially like the exhaust and stuff, because right now it's so stock, like it's literally a stock one, and which is why I wanted to record these videos now while it was stock, so that you guys can kind of see a stock point of view to where it's going to be, because yeah, it's going to be changing a lot here. And yeah, I've been scraping it like crazy under that front bumper. I'll be honest, I'm not used to it, first of all, and second of all, it's so low, it's hard to avoid sometimes, like coming out of driveways and stuff. Even if I go completely like at an angle and sideways, it still scrapes a little bit. So you know, it is what it is, and there's not much you can do about that. As long as it's underneath the bumper and not in like the front or something, I'm fine with it. You know, it happens, it is what it is. I'm not too concerned about it. But this thing sounds fantastic. Like I said, and that's stock. Like, I cannot wait to get the stuff that I'm going to do to the exhaust here. If you guys have been watching to this point in the video, then you're going to get a little sneak preview here, because I am going to be straight piping it hopefully today. I am going to keep the cats for now. I do want to get rid of the cats eventually, but for now I'm going to keep them. I just beat the hell out of this car, to be honest. Already I've been beating on it pretty bad. Obviously the nice thing with it is 7,500 miles, so it obviously has that factory warranty up till, I think it's 36,000 or 3 years or something. There's a nice little spot over here with some like walls that I'll floor it a little bit, just to give you guys a little bit more of a sound. But yeah, this thing sounds absolutely fantastic, and I'm really happy with it so far, and I'm excited to see what's going to happen with it in the future. Like, you hear that? That's stock. That's completely stock. And it gets like that pop and that crackle kind of shift noise when it shifts hard. Oh, this thing is like, I don't even know how to explain it, but this is like, it's a different experience like from anything I've ever driven or felt like that. And yeah, I'm really happy with it, guys, and hopefully you guys are going to enjoy the content and you're excited for the future, because like I said, hopefully this can like bring a lot of positivity to the channel and, you know, motivation for you guys, because this motivated me. You know, I saw this and I wanted it, so, you know, I grinded and I went and got it. Now this is what I drive, and this is what I'm going to be creating a ton of content on. And like I said, I'm really excited, and I can't wait to share this here on the channel with you guys. Oh my god, it's a huge pothole and a cop, so hopefully I don't go to jail here. These potholes are so bad on this road. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, another cop. Oh my god, this is just asking for me to go to jail. These potholes are so bad. But yeah, I have no tint on it or anything yet. The only thing is it doesn't have a front plate, so for now there's not really a reason for me to get pulled over, unless, you know, I'm driving a little bit reckless. But for now I haven't been doing too bad. I've been, you know, keeping it pretty mellow when I need to, or when it's kind of a time that I should. But yeah, we'll go over here, get like maybe one more little pull down over here, and then we'll close out this video. But hopefully you did enjoy this like POV drive, and if you do want to see more of them, then let me know down below and I can go ahead and get those done for you. I'm really excited, like I said, for the future with this. It's this thing rips. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. The power is just there, and like I said, once I open things up and make it a little bit louder and a little bit faster, it's gonna be even better. But for now, you know, this is what it is, completely stock, and I'm gonna change it a lot from stock. So yeah, it's not gonna be looking like it does now, or stock or anything. Tint's going on in a few weeks already. I got the earliest tint appointment I could. And yeah, let's just get one more little pull going down over here, hopefully, and then close out this video. Also, if you guys saw me in the mirror, don't mind my hair. I need a haircut so bad, but you know, I had to spend all the money on scats, you know. So let's go ahead and make sure there's no cops lurking anywhere. Get up to like 30 or so, and then just a little pops and crackles, just a little bit of burble in the back. That should change hopefully once I cut everything off here soon. I just add a little bit more when I floor it. But so yeah, that's gonna be about it for this video though. If you did enjoy, make sure you smash that like button down below. Help the YouTube algorithm, help this video get out to more people, and of course help the channel grow. On that same note, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. Of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.